You can handle all items that you sell, purchase, assemble, and keep in stock. The following item types are available: inventory, non-inventory, service, and fixed asset. Item types determine the content of an item management peculiarities, and the information that is stored about an item in the system journals. Item types that are predefined by application developers cannot be modified or customized without introducing changes to the source code. Selecting a certain item type for a newly created item, you determine whether the item will be recognized as an asset, inventory, fixed asset, or whether it will be recognized as an expense immediately after being obtained, non-inventory, or service. In the inventory model, you can create new items, add, manage, and maintain their data, which will be used for sales, purchases, inventory, and fixed assets management. Also, item details must be known for inventory documents and other documents that use inventory data. In particular, sales, purchase, and inventory documents, the recognition document, the initial balances document, and the manual transaction document. First, we input the name of the item, then select its type. Now, we need to select the base unit for the item. This is the default unit of measurement for the item. If you want to display the item quantity in measurement units other than the base unit of measurement, then enable the Use Several Units of Measurement option. Then, you can set the other units. The sales price of the item is retrieved from the most recent price list. It is provided for informational purposes only. You cannot change it or set a different price manually. In the bottom group box, the Accounting tab allows users to assign accounts to an item and specify their crucial parameters for it. The Accounting tab pertains to all item types. However, accounts and parameters under this tab are item type dependent. If reduced VAT rates are applicable to the item, select a specific reduced VAT rate for it from the VAT tab. You can also add item codes such as EAN13, ISBN, QR code from the Codes tab. Under the Inventory Management tab, you can provide warehouse information necessary to establish and maintain optimal inventory levels for the item. The List of Transaction tab shows all documents referring to the item that has triggered certain item transactions. The Stock tab shows the in-stock balance of the item, quantities reserved for sale or purchase, as well as created fixed assets that have not been recognized as fixed assets yet. The Price tab shows the history of changes in the dynamics of sales and purchase prices according to the created price lists and purchases quotations received from vendors. The Charts tab displays sales and purchase dynamics. Do not forget to save once you are done.